Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yo guys, it's been a lazy week. Well, not a lazy week, but rather a busy week for me. So I haven't had much time to vlog at all this week. Oh, my baby's crying. As I was saying, it's been a busy week, guys. Work has been hectic. Yo, work has been hectic this week. Like, I couldn't even go to gym. I think I only gymmed twice this week. Big shubile, guys. Yeah, no, it was a lot. But hopefully, the coming week will be better. Yeah. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys some perfumes that I got for my birthday. If you know me, I'm a lover of good scents. So I've got here a Lattafa Petra. I'm gonna be unboxing these in my YouTube shorts, and if you want to know what I think of the perfume, I think I'll put it on my shorts. Yeah, I also have the Habik Lattafa Habik. Guys, I love Lattafa. I love Arabic perfumes. Amraf. I just love the Arabic perfumes. They last long. They smell good. And this one is called Second Song. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox one or two or all of them. And yeah, if you want to know what I think of them, watch my YouTube shorts. I'll put it up in my shorts. And yeah, happy Friday. You know what time it is. Yo, it's been a long week. Oh, Cybertruck. Neighbor, is it me or are there just so many Cybertrucks lately? Abantu bafila unsafe basaba ma fireworks ukuthi azobawela. Anyway, let's go get some beverages. Okay, we don't have much planned for this weekend. Hey Bo, feel happy? Guys, I crack myself up though sometimes. Like, I'm the funniest person I know. Do you guys also think ukuthi nani umlahlekisa? Wenzani uvela happy? What was I saying? Yeah, not much planned for this weekend. We just need to do some groceries, restock on groceries, and yeah, the rest is chilled vibes. Really, not much. Holy where there's an event coming soon next to our house, next to our apartment at Space 42. A sumo wrestling event, guys. Have you guys ever watched sumo wrestling? Like, yo, Sabaweli, I think we're gonna buy tickets because I really want to experience it and see it face to face. I always thought sumo wrestlers are guys wearing like fat costumes. I was certain it was people wearing costumes. Gandhi, it's actually abantu who are that big, and they're going to be fighting in a ring, yo, and it's like across the road. Gotta watch sumo wrestling, guys. Gotta watch sumo wrestling. So that's one of the events that are coming up, but it's not this weekend. It's in a month or two. But I definitely need tickets just to experience, guys. You know, some things you don't have to do it because you're a fan. No, just to experience. And into an event, if it's an event, a concert, it's something outdoorsy, interactive, it's always more about the vibe, the atmosphere, rather than the thing itself. So yeah, we excited to maybe go and watch some sumo wrestling. And of course, I will try to take you guys along with me. Hopefully they allow cameras, I don't know. But yo, It would be quite an experience. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good one. If you haven't subscribed already, do the right thing. Subscribe. Okay? Yeah. Alright guys. Let's go get those beverages.
Yo, what up? Welcome to the channel. We are going grocery shopping. Me and this little one here. Got our dreads on, you know what it is. Got some dreads on. So yeah, come with us as we do some grocery shopping, or errands mostly, but yeah, let's rock. Yeah, we're on location 1. So trying to go get some South African food in the South African shop. What you call it's called Hyperama. It just went up just as we got here. So yeah, follow us. Let's do some Hyperama shopping.
Okay.
What do we got? Samba. Some shorts.
Follow me. Black denim shorts. That's it. Oh, a watch.
Oh,
That's it.
I'm not wearing any watch today. Alright.
Louder.
Shoes. Got him shoes. New Balance.
New Balance.
New Balance. Shorts. Adidas shorts. I don't know what it is. T-shirt from Vietnam. Yeah. Maybe got shades on. No watch today, just tattoos. You know, vobs and vobs. So alright. On our way there. The short gal.
I will literally cry on the spot if they don't have
If they don't have what?
Minimum. I need to do it today.
You need a
I
studio.
need it. I'm gonna
Hopefully
cry on the
we see.
spot.
If they don't have, let's see.
I'm literally gonna cry on the spot.
Okay. Yeah. Hyperama, there we
You're
are.
gonna tissue. This name
Iwisa.
See? Maize rice.
There is maize rice. Maize rice. Interesting. Ikhona le papa yakho masavu. Xa iwisa yikho encinci ke ngoku. Oh, nansi ya. Oh, they've got this. Go fetch into. Basket. Got some baked beans. They haven't had this in a while. I think there's also the samp ones then in this case. Do they have them? No, they do not. Okay. No. Take what's there. Tara, pwede mo kasi nga pa.
Oh.
Beans. Baked the beans. Take the severe. John, please, what if I was John?
Why?
I was tired of betting. I fully so putting you on. I bought cookie.
Yeah.
I was tired.
Why? Beans are beans.
Ngaphakathi ngenza kuba kaloku ibole.
Why? How?
Thatha nga. Why? Mayo. This is what Bob. Prefer what?
I prefer the term stupid.
Prefer terms to and
Make stupid tomorrow morning.
I'm so excited. I know. I got that.
But make sure I make it for me. Because making for 2 people is a lot.
Because you can't measure.
Yeah, I can't also. And I'm going to eat from a cup, so.
Yeah?
I'm going to eat from a cup, so.
Now we're done with the South African shop, Hyperama. We're heading to Lulu Hypermarket.
Say Hyperama.
Lulu Hypermarket. Gonna go buy a few things, meat, veg, fruit.
Nachos.
Yeah, so that's what we are. That's what's up.
Watching you. Time to go. We are late. At least you'll miss formation lap or something.
Few laps.
guys, I am making, actually, I'm helping my mom unpack the groceries. Okay. And there's no I in team. We are gonna make granola. I'm gonna use these nuts.
But they salted, yeah?
Yeah. Do I wash them or something?
No, we need plain nuts. Put a few, half of that, and then you use some of this.
Okay, is this good?
Yeah. And some of the,
Even the pistachios?
yeah, all of that.
Okay.
Don't wash it. Don't like, come on. I want it to be very nutty.
Okay, I like, oh.
Yeah, it's gonna move, so use your other hand to guide it. Should I show you? Don't do one by one, not like that. You just want to